From the Eiffel Tower to the beaches of Bali, we're traveling the globe to bring you the ultimate wedding destination guide. Get ready to be inspired. First up, we're jetting off to the City of Love, Paris. Imagine exchanging vows with the Eiffel Tower twinkling in the background. From intimate cafes to grand chateaux, Paris offers endless possibilities for an unforgettable celebration. Picture this, a horse-drawn carriage ride through cobblestone streets, the scent of fresh croissants in the air, and the sound of violins serenading you and your loved one. And don't even get me started on the wedding photos. Every corner of Paris is picture perfect, from the Louvre Museum to the charming bridges over the Seine River. Next, we're sailing to Venice, Italy, a city built on romance. Imagine saying I do in a gondola gliding through the canals. Venice is a city steeped in history and beauty, with stunning architecture and a timeless elegance that will transport you to another era. From grand palazzos to charming bridges, every corner of Venice whispers romance. And the food. Imagine indulging in delicious Italian cuisine with your loved ones, sharing laughter and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Get ready for breathtaking sunsets and picture-perfect moments because we're heading to Santorini, Greece. This island paradise is famous for its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Imagine exchanging vows with the sun setting over the caldera, casting a golden glow on your special day. From intimate ceremonies overlooking the Aegean Sea to lavish receptions at luxurious villas, Santorini offers a dream setting for every couple. Aloha from Maui, Hawaii, where tropical breezes and the sound of the ocean set the stage for your dream wedding. Imagine exchanging vows on a pristine beach, with turquoise waters and palm trees swaying in the breeze. Indulge in fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and delicious cocktails. Your wedding here will be a truly unforgettable experience. Get ready to fall in love all over again in the city that never sleeps, New York City. Imagine saying I do in Central Park, with the city's skyscrapers as your backdrop, or tie the knot in a chic rooftop venue, overlooking the twinkling lights of Times Square. New York City offers endless possibilities for a unique and unforgettable wedding. For a wedding that's quick, fun, and full of excitement, look no further than Las Vegas. This city is all about entertainment, and your wedding will be no exception. Imagine tying the knot in a glamorous chapel with an Elvis impersonator serenading you down the aisle. Las Vegas is all about letting loose and having a good time, and your wedding will be a blast for everyone involved. With its endless casinos, shows, and nightlife, Las Vegas is the perfect destination for a wedding weekend that never ends. Calling all art lovers and history buffs, Florence, Italy is the perfect city to tie the knot and create a masterpiece of memories. From the Duomo to the Ponte Vecchio, Florence will take your breath away. Exchange vows in a Renaissance palazzo, surrounded by stunning art and architecture. Indulge in the delicious food and wine that Tuscany is famous for. Experience the magic of Bali, Indonesia. Exchange vows in this tropical paradise. Bali offers a serene and breathtaking backdrop. Imagine a traditional Balinese ceremony with local blessings, or tie the knot on the beach with waves as your music. Luxurious resorts and vibrant culture make Bali perfect for your celebration. Get ready for an unforgettable wedding adventure in Sydney, Australia. This vibrant city is home to iconic landmarks, stunning beaches, and a laid-back charm that will capture your heart. Imagine exchanging vows with the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge as your backdrop, or tie the knot on a secluded beach with the sand between your toes and the sound of the ocean in the air. With its world-class dining, vibrant nightlife, and endless opportunities for adventure, Sydney is the perfect destination for a wedding celebration that's as unique and unforgettable as your love story. Next stop, Tokyo, Japan. Get ready for a captivating blend of tradition and modernity in one of the world's most exciting cities. From ancient temples to towering skyscrapers, Tokyo offers a unique and unforgettable backdrop for your wedding day. Imagine exchanging vows in a traditional Japanese garden surrounded by serene ponds, delicate cherry blossoms, and the gentle sound of flowing water. With its world-renowned cuisine, vibrant culture, and endless opportunities for exploration, Tokyo is the perfect destination for a wedding adventure you'll never forget. Get ready for breathtaking scenery and unforgettable adventures in Cape Town. Nestled between Table Mountain and the Atlantic Ocean, it's a dramatic wedding backdrop. Exchange vows on Table Mountain with panoramic views of the city and coastline. Or tie the knot on a pristine beach with waves crashing as your wedding music. Cape Town offers rich culture and endless adventure. It's the perfect destination for a unique wedding celebration. Hola from Barcelona, Spain! Get ready for a wedding celebration filled with passion, culture, and unforgettable experiences in this vibrant city. From the whimsical architecture of Antoni Gaudi to the delicious tapas and lively nightlife, Barcelona is a feast for the senses. Imagine exchanging vows in Park Güell, surrounded by Gaudi's colorful mosaics and whimsical sculptures. With its world-class dining, vibrant nightlife, and endless opportunities for exploration, Barcelona is the perfect destination for a wedding celebration that's as unique and unforgettable as your love story. Get ready for a fairy tale wedding in Edinburgh, Scotland. This historic city is home to stunning castles, charming cobblestone streets, and a magical atmosphere that will transport you to another time. Imagine exchanging vows in Edinburgh Castle, perched high above the city on a volcanic crag, or tie the knot in a grand ballroom surrounded by elegant chandeliers, intricate mouldings, and centuries of history. With its rich culture, delicious cuisine, and friendly locals, Edinburgh is the perfect destination for a wedding celebration that's both romantic and unforgettable. Get ready for a truly luxurious wedding celebration in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This dazzling city is known for its towering skyscrapers, opulent hotels, and over-the-top experiences. Imagine exchanging vows in a lavish ballroom with glittering chandeliers, marble floors, and impeccable service. Or tie the knot on a private yacht, cruising along the Dubai Marina with the city skyline as your backdrop. With its world-class shopping, fine dining, and endless opportunities for adventure, Dubai is the perfect destination for a wedding celebration that's as glamorous and unforgettable as your love story. Wow, what an incredible journey. We've traveled the globe, from the Eiffel Tower to the beaches of Bali, exploring the most romantic cities for your dream wedding. Thanks for watching. We hope this list helps you find the perfect city for your dream wedding. Remember, it's your special day, so choose a destination that reflects your unique love story and creates memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. And most importantly, congratulations on your engagement. We wish you a lifetime of happiness together.